Hey chefs, I want to record this video to let you guys know exactly what the Chefpreneur Collective is. Now, since 2018 when we started Chefpreneur, there's one thing that we've realized always. Number one, okay, chefs really feed off of each other in community. Just like any human being does, it's no different when you're building your business. And it's really hard to find people that actually get it. People that understand, hey, I'm trying to build my business and I want to be around people that are doing the same thing. Not only for support, but honestly, because sometimes people just don't understand when we're trying to build a business. Our families, our friends, a lot of times people don't understand us being entrepreneurs or chefpreneurs. They don't get it. And it's really hard sometimes to do that and get yourself in a mental state where you're actually able to grow your business, but you're around people that are kind of naysayers, or you're around people that unfortunately don't really support your dream or support your vision that you have for yourself and your future. Well, that all changes with the Chefpreneur Collective. You know, when we started again Chefpreneur, it's a movement. And we still say that, and we've said that before, and we've been very busy helping chefs individually build their businesses up, building their websites, building their brands, coaching them one-on-one. And of course, we still have all those programs and packages, but we've kind of got a little bit away from our community. And I'm just humbly being transparent about that. And honestly, I sincerely apologize. It wasn't intentional, but really it's because we were just helping so many people build up their business. But over the last few years, we've really noticed that you guys need a community. You guys need help. You guys need to be with each other. You guys need to actually be going alongside, not just, again, myself, the coaches that I have here in Chefpreneur, which are amazing, but really just each other. Really supporting each other, supporting each other's visions, helping each other out, giving each other tips, tricks, whether it's recipes, whether it's closing deals, whether it's passing off a client, or an event or a service that you can't even handle to another fellow chefpreneur. And so we created the Chefpreneur Collective, and I believe this is the future of Chefpreneur. In fact, we are changing everything that we do to revolve around the base and the foundations of it being the collective. Now, what is, again, specifically the Chefpreneur Collective? It is the #1 community and platform and educational membership to start or grow a personal chef business. Very simply, we want this to be the world's best, the world's biggest, with the highest quality chefs and cooks inside the community. And so this collective is incredible. When you join as a member, you're going to be able to have access to all of our training videos from our Chefpreneur University, access to all the resources, over 60 plus resources that we give you to really help you basically run your business, all the SOPs, how to scale your business. But then most importantly, you're going to become part of a private community. And this private community is made up of not only myself, where you can ask questions, but obviously also our coaches and other members of Chefpreneur as well. And we have had so many amazing chefs that we've helped. We've actually helped over 1,000 chefs in some form of program that they've invested in, really help them grow their business. And we hope that we help thousands more. And we are stronger together. We are stronger as a community, and I really believe it's going to translate into direct results for you. You're never going to be alone. You're always going to have support day and night, and you're going to really be able to be with other people that are like-minded. And I said that earlier here in this video that, sometimes our friends and our family, they don't understand, they don't get it, they think that we're just kind of crazy and we're dreamers, but realistically, that's what a chefpreneur, that's what an entrepreneur is has vision, has dreams, has things that they want to accomplish. And so we want to invite you to join the Chefpreneur Collective. We want to invite you to either get on the wait list or make sure that you check it out. So coming on Monday, July 7th, I'm going to be doing a presentation. I'm going to be diving into what the collective is even deeper. I'm going to show you the courses that you're going to get, the training that you're going to get. I'm going to show you how the private community works, and then the different membership levels. And I'm looking for the 100 first people, the 100 founding members. And there's exclusive deals with that. There's going to be a workshop that we're going to be doing here in person in Atlanta soon. And there's so many different benefits to it. But the number one thing is, I believe, is that you're never doing it alone. You're always going to have the support. And we also do bi-weekly coaching calls. We're going to give you live Q&A calls, whether it's with me or one of our certified coaches, to really answer even your questions more pressing and deeper. And so when you show up to those calls, you're also going to be, again, seeing other like-minded chefs in the Zoom with you and really understanding that you have a community around you. Because life is always better and business is always better when you're part of a community that actually understands what you're trying to accomplish and the vision that you're trying to set forth. So I wanted to make this little video and invite you to join the waitlist. If you click on that and the waitlist is over, we invite you to enroll in the program. But honestly, this is a membership. It's cancel anytime. It's super affordable, and we want to basically provide it to the masses. Of anyone who is serious about starting or growing a personal chef business, you have to become a member of the Chefpreneur Collective. I hope I see you guys on Monday, July 7th for the presentation, where I'm just going to really casually walk through the entire membership aspect of the collective and what it is even deeper. And I hope to see you guys on that call. And I hope to see you guys as a member of the collective in the near future as well. We love you. God bless you, and can't wait to help you grow your business.